Good morning, everyone. Welcome to HTML and CSS. Today, we are going to work with absolute and relative references. As you can see on your screen, absolute references are used when we refer to a website somewhere else on the internet, while relative references are used when your website includes more than one page. So let's go and see the example of absolute and relative reference. This is ClassDojo. In this ClassDojo, we have both relatives and absolute references. By relative references, it's when we navigate within the same website. Absolute references is used when we go outside of this ClassDojo. You see, last time we talked about hyperlinks and making a list of links. When we make an hyperlink, when there is an hyperlink, if we click on this hyperlink, it will take us to another website outside of ClassDojo, which means this link, this hyperlink is an absolute reference. It will take us to a website that is outside of the current website. But on the other side, when we click on Classroom here, it doesn't take us to another page, another website. We are still in ClassDojo, but we have just shifted. We have moved to another page, but we are still in the same website. The same thing when you click on Portfolio, when you click on Class Story, we are still in ClassDojo website. But when we click here on YouTube, you see it takes us to another website. So this YouTube link is an absolute reference, while when I click on here, Classroom, it's a relative reference. So far, you guys have already worked on absolute references when you created your hyperlinks, but today we're going to concentrate on relative references. So we are going to create a website that is going to include more than one web page. So I have already created mine, so this is it. Let me show you. Yeah, this is what you will create at the end of this lesson. This is a simple website that has 3 web pages inside. If I click on Home, I'm still here at Home. If I click on Contact, it takes me to the contact. If I click on About Me, it takes me to About Me. You see, it's a simple web page, but has 3 relative references. This is what we are going to talk about today, how to create a simple web page, a simple website with more than 1 pages. So this is it, what we are going to work. Without delay, let's go to Notepad++ and see how it works. So these are my codes. At first, let me show you how this page looks like relative. This is it. You guys at this point, you know already how to create a simple web page. Right now, this website has only one web page. If we click here, nothing will happen because they are not links. You know how to do something like this. These are unordered lists. This is an unordered list. This is H1. Welcome to my website. It's H1 tag, and this is the paragraph tag. This is what I did here. Unordered list, Home, Contact, About Me, Welcome to my website. My website is still under construction. So, but we want this web page to have 3. We want this website to have 3 web pages like this one. You see this one? If we click on Contact, it takes us to Contact. If we click on About Me, it takes us to About Me. This is what we want to happen with this one web page site. So how do we do it? We go back to Notepad++. Remember, I said our website should have 3 web pages, 3 pages. So we are going to create 3 pages. I have already created. We are going to 1 for Home, 1 for Contact, and 1 for About Me. So contact is already there, so we're going to add home is already there. We're going to add contact and about me. Remember, these 3 web pages should be in the same folder. As mine, I have put them in the same folder in the technology. I have created a folder under document called technology, and all the pages are inside. So this is what you're supposed to do. You have to put all of your 3 pages inside the same folder. Don't scatter them. Don't put about me in document, contact in bureau, and home you go put it I don't know where. So it should be in the same folder. Now we are going to create the contact page. So far our website has only 1 page. We are going to create the second page that's going to be contact page. And before that, first I want to link. I have to create links to home, contact, and about me. And you know we use the anchor tag for links. So I'm going to use the anchor tag for links. And href equal quotation mark. Remember, with the absolute references, we were using an actual website. This is what is written here. We were using an absolute reference is the complete address to a website, just as you'd use in the browser's address bar. This is what we were using when we were linking a page to an absolute reference, to an actual link. But here we're not going to type an actual website because all these pages are inside our computer. So the contact, you see it's contact.html. So I'm going to tap home. Sorry, we are still in home. Contact, I'm going to put it in contact here, but we are still in home. Home is home.html. It means when I save this page, I saved it under the name home.html. So I'm going to tap home.html, which is telling the browser that when someone clicks on home, take him to this page named home.html. This is it. I've created the first link for home. Now I'm going to create another link for contact. The same thing. I'm just, because of time, just copy and paste it here. I'm going to cut this and paste it here. Control V. And if someone clicks on contact, I want the browser to take him to contact.html. So I'm going to tap contact.html. The same thing will happen with about me. I'm going to copy. I'm copying this. The same thing will happen with about me. If someone clicks on about me, Control C, Control X, I want it to take it to about me. About me.html. Control S, I save it. That's far. If I go back to my website, which didn't have any links, if I refresh it, it should turn into links. You see, it turns into links. If I click on home, I'm going to stay at home. If I click at contact, oh, not this one. Yeah. If I click at contact, it should take me to contact. If I click at about me, it should take me to about me. But why? Because in my laptop, I have other contact and about me here. If I didn't have them, it would not have taken me to another web page. So let me show you how it's going to work. This is it. Contact, about me, and so on. So I'm going to the contact. So far it's empty. The contact is empty. I'm just going to copy everything. Control C. I'm going to paste it here. Control V. And in welcome to my website, I'm going to put in welcome. No, first let's restart. I want to show you something. I go back to Control C, Control S, Control S. I want to show you something. I'm back to relative. Boom. Okay, this is it. This is what I wanted to show you. You see, my contact is empty. There's nothing here in the contact page, nothing here in the About Me page, which means if I go to my reference and I type home, I will land in the home. If I tap contact, it will be empty because I haven't written anything yet. The same thing with About Me. If I click on About Me, it should be empty because once again I didn't write anything yet. So we are going to go and add something here so that when someone clicks on contact, something should happen. Okay, Control V. And I want, if someone clicks at contact, I want to write contact and all my contacts here. Since I already have it, I'm just going to here copy it. But you guys, you have to type your contact here. Contact, Control V, Control S. Which means so far, if someone clicks on contact, this should appear. Let's go check it. Okay, we are still in home. If we click on contact, you see it now appears my contact. Here's my contact, my telephone, and my email. But so far, if we click on About Me, it should be empty because there's nothing in About Me. We go back and we're going to add About Me. See, About Me is empty. Once again, Control A, we select all, we copy it, we paste here, and we want to change the About Me here, this part, so that when someone clicks on About Me, something should appear here. And the About Me, I have already About Me. I have my About Me, this is it, Control C. I'm going to paste it because I have already created. Control S. You see, that's now if someone clicks on About Me, this should appear. Now let's go and check. Refresh it. If you click on Home, it takes me to Home. Contact takes me to Contact. About Me takes me to About Me. So this is it. This is the objective of today's lesson, to create a simple website with three pages: Home, Contacts, and About Me. When someone clicks on Contact, on Home, it takes him to Home. On Contact, takes him to Contact. On About Me, takes him or her to About Me. And to do it, as I said, you have to create three pages. 3 pages. The first one should be the home page, where you're going to link everything. From here, from here up, it's the same thing in all pages. If you notice, it's the same thing. Because if we click on Home, we see Home and Contact. If we click on Contact, we see Home and Contact. And only down here that changes. Up here, things doesn't change. That's why I have kept the same code up on the top here. But down here, it's where you will be changing About Me, Contact, and Home. And to link your pages, you must use the related references, and we use the anchor tag, the href home.html. It means you must save each page within the same folder and name them. You can name them page 1, page 2, and page 3. But if you name page 1 here, this should change to page 1. If you name it page 2, this also should change to page 2. I think it's quite clear. Now it's your turn. Go ahead, try to create a simple website with 3 web pages, and send me the video. This time, don't just send me the picture, but send me the video. Clicking so that I can see that your links are working. When someone clicks on About Me, you see it changing. I want to see how it works. So this is it for today. See you next Thursday, and have a nice day. Bye.